Assalam-o-Alaikum students. I hope that you all will be fine. Today's lecture is about citation and referencing. That chapter is very important. It comes in your chapter number 6. साइटेशन और रेफरेंस के हवाले से लास्ट सेमेस्टर जो यूएचएस का था फाइनल टर्म्स उसमें भी क्वेश्चन आए थे, तो अभी हम इसको डिटेल में डिस्कस करेंगे. सो इन टुडेज लेक्चर वी विल टॉक अबाउट व्हाट्स द डिफरेंस बिटवीन साइटेशन एंड रेफरेंसिंग फर्स्ट, and then we will discuss about the APA MLA Chicago style, and we will have a comparison at the end of this lecture as well. Okay, so let's have the first slide, that is about the definition of citation. Now mostly students get confused when they have to differentiate between citation and reference. So उर्दू में मैं एक्सप्लेन कर लेता हूँ आपको. citation बेसिकली जब आप कोई ऐसे लिख रहे होते हैं या कोई आर्टिकल लिख रहे होते हैं, जो इन टेक्स्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन आप किसी और ऑथर की जब उसके अंदर ऐड करते हैं, तो ऑथर को रेफरेंस देने के लिए आप उसी टेक्स्ट या उसी ऐसे के अंदर ऑथर का नेम, उसका ईयर या पेज नंबर या कौन सी बुक से वो इन्फॉर्मेशन ली गई, जब वो इन्फॉर्मेशन विद इन टेक्स्ट ऐड करेंगे तो वो साइटेशन कहलाता है. सो लेट्स हैव द डेफिनेशन एज वेल. साइटेशन गिविंग क्रेडिट टू द ओरिजिनल ऑथर और सोर्स of information used in assignment, research or essays, helps reader to find original source and prevents plagiarism. Students, plagiarism is very important. जब आप कोई ऐसे लिखते हैं, कोई आर्टिकल लिखते हैं, कोई बुक पब्लिश करते हैं, सो आप किसी की भी इंफॉर्मेशन या किसी की भी जो डाटा होता है वो विदाउट द परमिशन ऑफ दैट ऑथर आप अपनी बुक के अंदर ऐड नहीं कर सकते. सो प्रिवेंट प्लेजरिज्म के हवाले से, इफ़ यू हैव गिवन द रेफरेंस ऑफ दैट ऑथर, सो यू वोंट बी हैव एनी इशू कि वो जो ओरिजिनल ऑथर है वो आपके ऊपर कोई लीगल कार्रवाई नहीं कर सकता. यू हैव specifically mentioned the name of that author in the book as well. Now moving on the next one, that is the referencing basically. So as I earlier told you, citation जब हम यूज़ करते हैं वो in text reference यूज़ करते हैं, और जब referencing की बात की जाती है, so you have to write the full detail of the source at the end of the assignment. Now you are writing an article, it is based on 3 or 4 pages. आपने जो रेफरेंस होगा वो उस आर्टिकल के इख्तिताम के ऊपर लिखना होगा. ओके, और इन अदर टर्म यू कैन से इफ़ यू आर राइटिंग अ बुक यू हैव टू प्रोवाइड द रेफरेंस एट द एंड ऑफ द बुक बेसिकली, कि जो इन्फॉर्मेशन आपने इस बुक के अंदर ऐड की वो कहाँ से ली गई है. सो हियर इन रेफरेंस वी हैव टू add writing full detail of the source at the end of the assignment, include author name, title, year and publisher, appears in the reference list or works cited page, and helps to verify the information. Again, to avoid plagiarism, you have to add it so that the original author has no issue regarding the information you have taken or copied from his work. So here comes major citation styles. Basically साइटेशन स्टाइल से क्या मुराद होता है. अब ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड डिफरेंट स्टूडेंट्स यूनिवर्सिटीज़ से रेलिवेंट हो गया, सोशल साइंसेस के स्टूडेंट्स हो गए, साइंस के स्टूडेंट्स हो गए, वो रिसर्च बेस्ड वर्क करते हैं, थीसिस पब्लिश करते हैं. तो दे हैव टू फॉलो अ स्पेसिफिक पैटर्न अपने थीसिस के लिए या अपने रिसर्च पेपर के लिए. उसी स्टाइल के अकॉर्डिंग उन्होंने रेफरेंस ऐड करना होता है या साइटेशन ऐड करनी होती है. मोस्ट कॉमनली जो हम यूज़ करते हैं वो APA स्टाइल होता है, दैट इज़ नोन एज अमेरिकन साइकोलॉजिकल एसोसिएशन, MLA, मॉडर्न लैंग्वेज एसोसिएशन एंड शिकागो स्टाइल एज वेल. सो दीज स्टाइल्स गिव रूल फॉर साइटेशन एंड रेफरेंसिंग. अगर आपने अपने मटेरियल या अपने थीसिस में किसी एक को फाइनल किया है तो यू हैव टू यूज़ दैट स्पेसिफिक पैटर्न. अगर आपने APA स्टाइल को फॉलो किया तो आप अपनी बुक के अंदर इसी को ही लेके चलेंगे. नाउ लेट्स हैव द डेफिनेशन of each one. The first we have APA, American Psychological Association. For paper point of view, you must know the abbreviation of all these. American Psychological Association, used in social sciences, education and psychology. So here is the main thing you must focus. Okay, focus author's last name and year of publication only. ओके, इंक्लूड्स इन टेक्स्ट साइटेशन एंड रेफरेंस लिस्ट. ये दोनों में यूज़ होता है, साइटेशन में भी और रेफरेंस लिस्ट के अंदर. सो हियर द थिंग टू रिमेंबर इज द एब्रीवेशन, एंड द लास्ट थिंग you have to memorize the author's last name and the year of publication. Moving on the next one, APA in text citation definition. In text citation, citation written inside paragraph, as I have already given you the definition at the beginning of the presentation. So shows source or idea of quotation as well. So here that's the most important thing to memorize for paper point of view. APA में क्या करते हैं हम लोग, we have to write down the author's last name only and year of publication. In case if we have single author, you have to write down Ali, comma, and 2020. Suppose the name of the person is M. Ali, Muhammad Ali, as Ali is the last name, so you have to write down the last name. In case of two authors, you have to write down the last name of those two authors and plus year. In case of three authors, you have to write down the name of all these three authors' last name and the year of publication. Okay, I hope that you have understood it. Next one, APA reference list definition. So reference list, full detail of all the sources which appears at the end of the book, written at the end of the assignment, arranged alphabetically. Alphabetically समझिए कि those authors name whose name starts with alphabetically with A, B, C, D, तो आपने उसको alphabetically क्या करना है, arrange करना होता है. So here APA reference format for book, as we know we have to add the last name, and here is the most important thing, that is the initial of that author as well. So mostly students get confused, what does initial mean. Suppose करें name of the person is M. Ali, if we talk about, okay, M. Ali is the name of the person, okay. They have given a reference over there as well, Ali and A basically, okay. So here A is the initial of his first name. So if I have written just like M. Ali here, M means Muhammad and Ali is the last name, so you can replace this A with M. So initial means को जो आपका first name होता है, उसका जो first letter होता है वो आपको initial कहलाता है. So you have to add the author's last name, initial, year, title of the book and the publisher as well. So here is the example. Ali is the last name, A is the initial, means the first name of the first letter, 2020 is the year of publication. Name of the book is Academic Writing Skill, and the name of the publisher is Oxford Press. Moving on the next slide is about MLA style definition. MLA abbreviation is very important for paper point of view. It means Modern Language Association style, used in English, mostly focused on author's name plus page number. Here one thing which is very important, which was not included in the previous APA style, that was about the year of publication, but here you have to add the author's last name plus you have to add the page number as well. So it is included both in citation and reference purpose. Okay, here is the complete detail about MLA in text citation definition written inside paragraph. You know citation, as we have already discussed it. Citation means to write down the name of the author within a text. Format, author last name and the page number. So author's last name is Ali. Here we have to add the page number 45. If author's name is in the sentence, written only page number, so you only need to write down the name of the page number. Okay, that thing is objective point of view covers that question is important. Next one is MLA book format. So here author's last name plus first name. If you compare it with APA style, you can clearly see in the APA you have to add the initial of the first name. So title of the book, publisher, year, and now the name of the author is Graf Gerald, and the name of the book is They Say I Say. Norton is the name of publisher, and year of publication in 2017. Okay, so MLA main rules, basically alphabetically order you should follow. Write down the name of the author alphabetically. There should be double spacing between the name. Use italic code, italic letter, italic style for giving the name to the author, and include publisher name and year as well. Now most importantly, Chicago style definition. So basically remember one thing, APA and MLA, they have combined both in Chicago style. Chicago style is used in history and research. Firstly, two system, noted and bibliography, author's date system, provide detailed referencing rule as. Don't confuse here. Let's have clear picture of Chicago notes and bibliography. Use footnotes or endnotes. Footnotes and endnotes basically, suppose this whole is section in the page, and you can see at the end of some books they have given the name of author here at the end. They have page number specifically here, and footnote they write down the name of the author, year of publication, and the name of the company which published at the bottom. That is known as footnote. So here you have to add each and every detail: author's first name, last name, title, place, publisher, year, and the page number as well. Okay, so Chicago author date system देखिएगा. In text citation में we need to add down author plus year plus page. अगर आप थोड़ा सा previous slides को memorize करें तो हमारे पास इंफॉर्मेशन थी. ऑथर का लास्ट नेम हम लिखते थे और ईयर लिखते थे किसके अंदर, एपीए के अंदर. दैट्स गुड. पेज नंबर हमने कहाँ ऐड किया था स्टूडेंट्स, एमएलए के अंदर. यहाँ पे हमने दोनों को कंबाइन कर दिया. एग्जांपल देखेगा अर्ली 2020 और पेज नंबर 45. ओके, नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंस फॉर साइटेशन. It avoids plagiarism, as you all know. Show academic honesty, helps reader find sources, improve research quality, essential for exam and assignment. So if a question comes in your exam, students, why citation is important, why referencing is important, why MLA Chicago style is important, APA style is important, so you can write them because it avoids plagiarism, it improves research quality as well, and helps reader to find the sources as well. Okay, so exam tips for students: learn all the definitions of APA, MLA, Chicago for SEQs, and for short essay question you can say for MCQs as well. Remember in text format, practice reference writing, always give author credit, write neat and correct format as well. Now here is a complete difference between all these which we have studied. First we will know about APA, MLA, and Chicago. That picture or that table is very important. Used in social sciences, used in English and humanities and history research. Focus on author last name plus year. Here author last name plus page number, footnote and author date. In text format में देखिएगा author last name plus year, author plus page. In text again citation के लिए author, year plus page number. Example early 2020, early 45 here is the page number. Early 20 and 20 and 45 is the page number here. Title style में first word capital, all main words capital, all main words should be capital. Footnote not used, rare, commonly used. Footnote basically which comes at the bottom of the page. Okay student, that is a clear picture of difference. If you have any problem or any question, you can write down in the comment section. I will answer your questions as well. Now what really is important is to see do we have any question in the last final exam of BS nursing students. If we clearly see, yes, we have a question here. It carries 5, a very easy question if I say. So let's answer this question. Write down the following in the form of APA citation, more than one author. Very easy question. So for you people to make it more easy, I will write down here the name, write down the answer of that question. So what will be the answer of that question? Okay, more than one author. So we have two authors. First is you have to write the last name Ali. Okay, and if my name, if I use Ali and plus my name is suppose Muhammad Salman, so I will say Salman here, and next I will write down the year of publication. Okay, that is 2026. Okay, so that is APA citation. We have two authors, Ali, Salman. That is the name of these two authors, last name, and you have to add the you have to write down year of publication for this author. Okay, because the question is related to APA citation. Okay, APA, and you all know that in APA we have to write down name of the author's last name. Okay, and next question is corporation organization style. Okay, so corporation organization से क्या मुराद होता है? Suppose करें कि we have a research paper from World Health Organization, that stands for WHO. Okay, So okay, that's fine. We have an organization or the corporation. The name of that organization is WHO, or World Health Organization. So they publish a paper, you can say. Okay, so we have to give a comma and add that information they have published in 2019, in the year of corona. You can give it bracket as well if you want to write down. So there is a simple. So these two lines answer carries 2.5, and 2.5 is equal to 5 marks. So look, it is very easy. If you have any question, you can write down at the end of the comment section, or if you have any feedback or any suggestion to improve the quality of the lecture, you can also add in the comment section. So good luck, student. I wish you all the good luck for your final exam preparation. So we'll move on with the next lecture soon, inshallah. Thank you.